Today we will talk about 7 proven home remedies to get thicker hair naturally. We hope you watch this video carefully till the end to know everything is in the details. Before we start, make sure you click the subscribe button and press the bell icon, because we post natural health and beauty related video every single day. How are you all doing? I'm doing good and hope everything is great at your end. And also I'm super sad that Ganpati Bappa has left. But the festive season is just around the corner, so excited for that. Coming to today's topic, we would be talking about easy and proven home remedies to get thicker hair naturally. Some people deal with thinning hair, which can be due to hormonal issues, allergies, pollution, hereditary problem, etc. If you want thick, voluminous hair naturally, then you should be following these home remedies to get the best results. Number 1. Orange juice and apple mixture. Orange juice contains a large amount of vitamin C, which helps to strengthen the roots and also promotes the growth of the hair follicle. Also, apples contain antioxidants which prevent hair damage caused due to external factors, thus promoting hair growth and preventing hair fall. Take a mixture of apple puree and orange juice. Mix them together to make a paste. Apply on the scalp and make sure you cover the roots well. This will promote naturally thick and healthy hair. This hair pack is especially good for people with dull and dehydrated hair. Number 2. Indian Gooseberry Mask. Indian gooseberry, also known as amla, contains antibacterial and antiviral properties which help to improve the scalp condition. It strengthens the roots and also promotes hair growth. So, in order to make a hair mask, take some amla and mix it with coconut oil. Heat it for some time and strain the oil. Massage the oil into the scalp and leave it overnight. Rinse off with mild shampoo in the morning. Number 3. Castor Oil Massage. Castor oil contains a high amount of fatty acids and vitamin E, which help to strengthen the hair follicle and also prevents hair fall. Massaging your scalp regularly with lukewarm castor oil can help to promote hair growth and also thickens the hair naturally. Once you massage your hair with castor oil, cover the scalp with a warm towel. Leave it for an hour and wash off with water. Number 4. Flax Seed. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, flax seeds are another ingredient which can help boost thicker hair naturally. It is ideal for promoting hair growth and also improvement of the hair texture naturally. Take some flax seeds and keep it in water for 1 to 2 hours. Now start boiling it until you get a gel-like consistency. Allow the gel to cool down and apply the gel to your hair and scalp. Wash off with water after some time. This is one of the easiest ways to promote naturally thicker hair. Number 5. Honey Massage. Honey contains moisturizing properties which keep the hair supple and hydrated. Also, it contains antioxidants which help to eliminate free radicals damaging your hair and leading to hair fall. Honey forms a protective barrier on the hair, thus promoting thick and healthy hair. Add some honey to your shampoo and massage your scalp with this. Wash off with lukewarm water. Number 6. Rice water. Every one of us is aware that rice water contains vitamins and proteins which help to promote thicker hair. Being rich in vitamin K, B6 and E, rice water helps to nourish the hair and scalp easily. Also, it can help to promote hair growth. Take some rice and soak it for about an hour. Now strain the rice water and collect it in a bowl. Massage the scalp with this and wash off with cold water. Use this therapy twice or thrice a week. Number 7. Turmeric and milk pack. Turmeric contains an essential ingredient called curcumin, which helps to thicken the hair naturally and also promotes hair growth. It helps to heal damaged skin cells and follicles, leading to hair fall in a person. Take half a cup of milk and add few spoons of turmeric powder to it. Now add 1 spoon of honey so that it cuts down the frizz and also leaves you with moisturized hair. Apply the mask on the hair and let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes. Wash off with a mild shampoo. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health by